they start school. We know that if children start kindergarten at a healthy weight, they have a higher probability of maintaining that weight throughout their childhood, adolescence, and into adulthood. We need to make sure that healthy schools are the norm, not the exception. Kids spend more time at school than any place else other than home. And we've seen more than 27,000 schools across the country really become healthy places. Third, we have to make sure that kids are physically active. They get up and move, and we make physical activity fun, convenient, and they have safe places where they can be physically active. We have to make sure that parents have availability of healthy foods in their communities so that they can prepare and hopefully prepare with their children healthy meals. And finally, and not least by any means, we need to make